A small balcony might seem like a limited space, but with the right decor, it can transform into a cozy retreat, a stylish lounge, or even a functional mini garden. Whether you live in an apartment or a townhouse, maximizing your balcony's potential can create a personal outdoor sanctuary that blends comfort and aesthetics. The key to decorating a small balcony is strategic planning, choosing the right furniture, using vertical space, and incorporating elements that enhance the atmosphere without overwhelming the area. In this video, we'll explore innovative ways to turn your balcony into an inviting and functional escape, no matter how compact it may be. When working with a small balcony, every inch counts. Choosing space-saving furniture can make a huge difference in how functional and comfortable your balcony feels. Folding chairs and tables are excellent options because they provide seating and dining areas when needed but can be easily stored away when not in use. Stackable stools, compact benches with storage, and lightweight side tables add versatility without overcrowding the space. A great way to enhance comfort without taking up valuable floor space is by incorporating a built-in bench along the railing or wall. You can customize it with plush cushions and throw pillows to create a cozy nook for relaxation. Hanging tables that attach to the railing also work well, providing a convenient surface for coffee cups, books, or even small plants without sacrificing space. Multifunctional furniture is essential in a small balcony setup. Consider a storage ottoman that doubles as seating, or a ladder-style shelf that can hold plants, candles, and decorative pieces without occupying floor space. By selecting furniture that serves more than one purpose, you can create a stylish and highly practical setup. Love these cozy balcony ideas? Give this video a thumbs up and share it with friends who need a small space makeover. The right lighting can transform a small balcony into a warm and inviting space, making it feel larger and more comfortable. String lights draped along the railing or across the ceiling add a magical touch, while lanterns and battery-operated LED candles create a soft, intimate glow. For a more modern look, wall-mounted sconces or solar-powered lights provide ambient illumination without requiring additional power sources. Textiles also play a crucial role in making a small balcony feel cozy. An outdoor rug can define the space and add warmth underfoot, while weather-resistant cushions and blankets make the seating area more comfortable. If your balcony is exposed to direct sunlight, a small canopy, shade sail, or roll-up bamboo blinds can provide shade and enhance privacy. Sheer curtains hung on the sides can create a dreamy, enclosed atmosphere, giving the balcony a luxurious feel without making it feel cramped. Choose light, breathable fabrics that allow air to flow freely while offering a sense of seclusion. These elements work together to make the balcony feel like an extension of your indoor living space. Which balcony decor idea is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. One of the easiest ways to bring life to a small balcony is by adding greenery. Plants not only enhance aesthetics but also improve air quality and create a refreshing environment. Opt for a mix of hanging plants, vertical gardens, and potted plants to make the most of your limited space. Hanging planters attached to the railing or ceiling keep plants off the floor, allowing for more walking space. A vertical garden, using wall-mounted planters or a leaning ladder shelf filled with greenery, creates a lush backdrop without taking up square footage. Herbs like basil, mint, and rosemary are great for balconies, offering both decorative and practical benefits. If your space allows, a small planter box with flowers or succulents can add a pop of color and vibrancy. For an effortlessly chic look, use woven baskets or ceramic pots to house your plants. Adding a small water feature, like a tabletop fountain, enhances the tranquil ambience, making your balcony feel like a peaceful escape. For more stylish small space decor tips, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. The final touch in any balcony transformation is adding personal decor elements that reflect your style. Whether you prefer a bohemian vibe with floor cushions and lanterns or a sleek, modern aesthetic with minimalist furniture and neutral tones, your balcony should feel like an extension of your personality. Decorative trays on tables help keep things organized while allowing space for candles, books, or a cup of tea. Woven baskets can be used for both storage and decor, keeping blankets or magazines within easy reach. If you enjoy spending time on your balcony in the evening, a small fire pit, if permitted, or an electric heater can extend usability throughout the year. Wall art, such as metal sculptures, outdoor-friendly prints, or hanging macrame pieces, adds a unique touch without taking up valuable space. A small mirror placed strategically can create the illusion of a larger area by reflecting light and scenery. Incorporating personal touches like handmade pottery, travel souvenirs, or vintage finds makes the balcony feel truly yours. By carefully curating these elements, you can turn even the smallest balcony into a beautifully decorated and highly functional retreat, perfect for unwinding, socializing, or simply enjoying a quiet moment outdoors. Check out our playlist for more creative outdoor and balcony decor inspiration. If you love dining outdoors, a small balcony can be the perfect spot for intimate meals or morning coffee. A compact bistro table with 2 chairs creates a cozy dining area without taking up too much space. For a more casual setup, floor cushions and a low table can provide a comfortable space for lounging and enjoying drinks with friends. A portable bar cart or a foldable serving tray can make hosting guests easy, allowing you to bring drinks and snacks outside effortlessly. A Bluetooth speaker or a small projector can turn your balcony into an entertainment area, perfect for movie nights under the stars. Just add some warm blankets and twinkling lights, and you have an ideal setting for relaxation. Want to recreate these looks? Find all the featured decor pieces linked in the description. If your balcony is overlooked by neighbors, privacy screens can help create a more secluded and intimate atmosphere. Bamboo screens, outdoor curtains, or climbing plants on trellises can block unwanted views while adding aesthetic value. Sheer drapes or a fabric canopy can soften harsh sunlight while providing an elegant and breezy look. For a more natural touch, tall potted plants like bamboo or fiddle-leaf figs can act as a green barrier, giving you both shade and privacy. Layering different materials and textures in your privacy solutions ensures a cozy and stylish look while maintaining a sense of openness. To keep your balcony feeling fresh and inviting year-round, consider updating the decor with the seasons. In spring, vibrant flowers and pastel cushions create a bright and cheerful atmosphere. Summer is perfect for beach-inspired decor with light linens, blue accents, and tropical plants. In fall, warm tones like burnt orange and deep red can be introduced through throw pillows and blankets. For winter, cozy fairy lights, faux fur cushions, and a small outdoor heater can make the space feel warm and inviting. Switching out small accessories like rugs, table centerpieces, and candles allows for an easy seasonal refresh without requiring a complete redesign. A small balcony holds endless potential, and with the right approach, it can become one of the most charming spaces in your home. Whether you're looking to create a lush garden oasis, a serene reading nook, or a stylish outdoor lounge, every choice you make contributes to a space that feels both beautiful and practical. Balconies, no matter their size, can serve as a personal retreat from the chaos of daily life. The key is to design with intention, choosing decor that complements your lifestyle while maximizing comfort and usability. The beauty of small balcony decor lies in its versatility. With simple changes, such as adding an outdoor rug, layering cozy textiles, or incorporating ambient lighting, you can transform your balcony into a space you love spending time in. By prioritizing multifunctional furniture, you ensure that your balcony is not just stylish but also practical. A well-chosen piece, like a folding bistro set or a cushioned storage bench, can make all the difference in how your space is used daily. The natural elements of a balcony, sunlight, fresh air, and greenery, make it a perfect place to unwind. Whether you start your mornings here with a cup of coffee or wind down in the evening with a book, this space offers a little slice of tranquility. Adding plants and flowers breathes life into the balcony, turning it into a vibrant space filled with natural beauty. Even the smallest planters or hanging baskets can make a significant impact. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood. String lights draped across the railing, lanterns on the floor, or candles on the table create a magical ambience that enhances relaxation.